Drier sheets cause hormone imbalance, neurotoxicity, respiratory problems, and even cancer. Many people around the world are using this safe product to get their clothes soft and smelling fresh, but I don't think that they actually know that this product is loaded with toxic chemicals and compounds such as benzyl acetate, benzyl alcohol, linalool, and even chloroform. The bad thing is that all of these chemicals can be hazardous to your health. And not only are these chemicals toxic when coming into contact with your skin, but the chemicals also become fumes and can easily be inhaled. These harmful toxins and compounds can cause you many health problems and bad side effects, including neurological damage, and create permanent effects on its functioning. 8 reasons to ditch drier sheets. As we mentioned before, the majority of drier sheets use harsh chemical perfumes that rub off onto clothing and come in direct contact with the skin, the most absorbent organ in your body. The chemicals found in these perfumes are dangerous carcinogens and are known to cause liver damage and even cancer in mammals. The famous professor of civil and environmental engineering and public affairs at the University of Washington, Dr. Ann Steinman, conducted a study on the drier sheets to measure just how toxic they are. Dr. Ann mentioned that this is an interesting source of pollution because emissions from dryer vents are essentially unregulated. She also said that if they're coming out of a smokestack or tailpipe, they're regulated, but if they're coming out of a dryer vent, they're not. The results from this study discovered more than 25 VOCs emitted from dryer vents, with high concentrations of acetaldehyde, acetone, and ethanol. This is really shocking. They've also found that just one of the carcinogenic VOCs found in dryer vents equals 3% of total acetaldehyde emissions from automobiles in the same area, making toxins from dryer sheets a highly dangerous source, despite how little it's discussed. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and Industry-Generated Material Safety Data Sheets, MSDS, in the 1990s, created the following list of chemicals found in common fabric softener. Alpha-terpineol. You should know that this toxic chemical has been directly associated with brain disorders, and other health problems as well, such as loss of muscle control, headaches, and depression. Benzyl acetate. This toxic chemical has been directly linked to the development of pancreatic cancer. Benzyl alcohol. You should know that benzyl alcohol causes irritation within the upper respiratory tract, as was central nervous system disorders including a headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and dramatic drops in blood pressure. Chloroform. You should know that chloroform can be extremely damaging to the brain and even fatal. Inhaling chloroform can result in nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and even loss of consciousness. Ethanol. This dangerous chemical has been linked to CNS disorders and frequently found in fabric softeners. Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is a hazardous waste known to cause headaches. Linalool. Many different studies have found that this toxic chemical can cause many health problems such as loss of muscle coordination, depression, and neurological disorders. Pentane. Known to directly cause nausea, fatigue, and depression. This is why you should stop using fabric softeners and use natural alternative instead. And one of the best natural alternatives to toxic dryer sheets are wool balls, which can easily be purchased online or made at home. The wool balls remove as much lint as dryer sheets can, get rid of static cling and soften clothes. Or you add scent to clothing by adding natural essential oils to the balls before adding them to the dryer. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.